Away from the startups are developing, solutions which require user data protection should ensure they align with local laws before rolling out. Speakers at the Cardano Africa Tech Summit in Nairobi urge innovators to register their solutions with the Office of the Data Protection Commissioner to mitigate risk linked to data misuse. ICT Secretary Mary said the government is keen on ensuring that emerging technologies are used in a safe manner.
We're trying to ensure that there is cybersecurity, tools, systems that can really be able to ensure that our citizens, as they go to use these emerging technologies, they are safe.
You need to come out, register with the government, register with the Office of the Data Protection Commissioner. Tell us who you are, what you're doing, what data are you collecting, how are you processing it, where are you storing it. So it's just to understand what kind of data you're collecting, what you're doing with that data.
Any new emerging technology, you need consumer protection, you need clarity, you cannot leave businesses and capitalism to its own device.